I finally made it to Expo 70 Park in Osaka to see this Tower of the Sun, Taiyo no To, and it just started to rain right as I entered. So that's cool, but it was worth it. I've been wanting to see that crazy thing for a long time. If I'm not mistaken, this is a Mr. Donut quote-unquote museum in Suita, north of Shinosaka Station, Japan. And although I've never really eaten them, maybe just once or twice, I just thought, hey, that's amusing, that's very Japanese, even though I think they're from the US originally. And the last time I ate them was in El Salvador. So let's see if they're a museum or just a store. This is the real entrance to the Mr. Donuts Museum. So what's it like? You can only eat donuts with the mask on. That's not what it says, but I wouldn't be surprised. Whoa. Hi, arigatou. The donut shape. The Winokers. You gotta have spirit. Oh, maybe I should start from the top, right? Although I'd really just like to find out the sign where it was founded. Then we could continue. So this is an interesting part of this museum. You can search for where a particular Mr. Donuts is. So let's go with Arude Shin Osaka. It says it's a 2000th store. So if you look for that, wait a second. Tsugino shop. Ah, so one of the first. Osaka Hiranoku. Ah, the 31st store is in Osaka. And here is the wall of craziness. So, where have you gotten your insulin shot lately? So for whatever reason they combined the Mr. Donut Museum with Duskin, which is a cleaning supplies company. Yes, that puts me in the mood for a donut. A frightening model of a baby with an even smaller baby's head. What? A donut buffet. Well, my gosh. 60 minutes for, well, just about between 11 and 11:50 US. At this rate, obviously today being September the 27th. Still, a donut buffet? That's dangerous. Anyway, I got a Daigaku Imo donut, which is... Daigaku Imo is one of my favorite desserts here. It's sweet potato, a sugar syrup, and black sesame seeds. That's nice. For a donut, I really rarely eat them. There's so many other better desserts you could be having in Japan, but for the purposes of being at the Mr. Donut Museum, also called the Duskin Museum, it's alright.